Well, the Pixel 8 and 8 Pro are going to be major upgrades over the Pixel 7 and 7 Pro. And one of the most anticipated features of the Pixel 8 Pro is actually at its display. The Pixel 8 Pro will actually feature a stunning 6.7-inch QHD Plus LTPO OLED display with 120Hz refresh rate. But that seems like similar to the 7 Pro and the 6 Pro. Well, it's also worth noting that the previous models like the Pixel 7 Pro and the 6 Pro, despite having the LTPO displays, didn't switch the refresh rate as low as 10 Hz. Instead, they scaled down to a minimum of 60 Hz. That's kind of weird. So definitely that's a good upgrade. But what about the Pixel 8? The Pixel 8 on the other hand is expected to feature a 6.17-inch QHD Plus display with same 120Hz refresh rate. And that's actually really great considering the last year's model had only 90 Hz. Yeah, this is a big upgrade. But there are two more big things you need to know about the displays. Well, the first one actually is that the Pixel 8 Pro finally coming with a flat display. For whoever wanted this is coming. And the next thing is that both the Pixel models are getting a massive display upgrade in the form of peak brightness. Well, the Pixel 8 Pro will have a 1600 nits of peak brightness display. It is really good. Whereas the normal Pixel 8 will actually get a 1400 nits of peak brightness display. This is really a big upgrade. Now, if you don't know, storage options actually matter to certain people a lot than most. The Pixel 8 Pro is rumored to be available in 3 different storage options: 128GB, 256, and 512GB option. We've already seen the 128GB model in the live images leak. Anyway, this is similar to what the Pixel 7 Pro offered. On the other hand, the Pixel 8 will still offer 2 storage options: 128 and 256. Anyway, in terms of color variants though, leaks suggest that Pixel 8 may come in 3 different color options. Actually, a recent leak saying it. While the Pixel 8 Pro will actually have these 3 color options. And by the way, Pixel 8 and 8 Pro also getting audio magic eraser feature, which if you want to know more about it, you can check out my recent video that I will link down below. In short, it will actually allow you to denoise or in certain case mute certain sounds inside a captured video. And that's all thanks to the Tensor G3 chipset. Well, we also saw the blue color variant of the Pixel 8 Pro, and it looks real stunning. Well, if you don't know, Google is also planning on revising the UI of the camera app for the Pixel 8 and 8 Pro. Now, with this new UI, you will actually have to swipe up on the viewfinder to see the settings. It also shows a new way to choose between taking a photograph and recording a video. And once you choose whether you are taking a photograph or a video, you can choose actually certain features. For example, while recording a video, you can actually choose between pan, blur, or just normal video recording or slow motion, stuff like that. Same goes for the photo mode. You can go with the photo mode and then you can choose night side, portrait mode or anything like that, panorama shots or anything like that. So that's actually pretty interesting though. Now the next one is actually in the camera department. We all love Pixel cameras, but this is getting insane. Both the Pixel 8 and 8 Pro are expected to feature the ISOCELL GN2 50MP primary camera, which is one of the largest camera sensors in the market right now. With a sensor size of 1/1.2 inches, the ISOCELL GN2, according to leakers, will be able to capture 35% more light than the last year's GN1. Now, one of the most exciting camera features for me though that is coming to the Pixel 8 and 8 Pro is adaptive torch function. Well, this actually allows to adjust the intensity of the flashlight when capturing photos at the night. Now, Google Pixel 8 Pro's ultra-wide-angle camera is expected to feature the impressive 64MP Sony IMX787 sensor, which was also previously used on the Pixel 7a as the main camera. But the Pixel 7 Pro's 12MP Sony IMX386 sensor is actually still be featured inside the standard Pixel 8. So, yeah. But that doesn't mean every other camera is getting upgraded. No, the 11MP camera at the front is identical to the Pixel 7 Pro series, and same thing can be said about the telephoto camera. Now, there is going to be another additional temperature sensor, but body temperature sensor on the Pixel 8 Pro. Anyway, leaks also suggest that the Pixel 8 will come equipped with a larger 4485 mAh battery, while the Pixel 8 Pro will still come with a 4950 mAh battery. I mean, the typical battery capacities would be, for the Pixel 8, it would be 4700 to 4600, while the Pixel 8 Pro will have a 5000 mAh typical battery capacity. The Pixel 8 is rumored to support 24W fast charging, while the Pixel 8 Pro will offer 27W fast charging. That's slightly more improvement, but this is the peak performance we're talking about in terms of charging capabilities. Anyway, all of these things will be handled by the Tensor G3 chip, which is again getting manufactured by Samsung, and it's basically an Exynos chip inside. It will have 4 high-performance cores, Cortex-A715 cores running at 2.45 GHz, 4 energy-efficient Cortex-A510 cores running at 2.15 GHz, and 1 Prime Cortex-X3 core running at 3 GHz. And then there is the Mali G715 GPU with 10 cores instead of 7 on the past year's model. So yeah, that's probably it. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, how excited you are for the Pixel 8 and 8 Pro. And yes, if you want, you can get some crazy cool wallpapers up on my website, a link down below. Until the next one, bye and take care.